Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Wait,
Every time we say, hey guys, welcome back, I think it's such a short line. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna let my wife a little bit explain what we're gonna cook today. And little by little, we're gonna put her in the kitchen. I'm gonna be the cameraman.
Okay.
Yeah, cameraman.
Okay. We're gonna cook something extremely, not we're gonna cook. He's gonna cook something extremely delicious, salmon Scotch eggs.
Yeah?
It's something
I never did before. I'm gonna do first time.
Interesting. Usually people do with I think beef. We're gonna try to do it with salmon. I think it's been done, but we're gonna do it his version.
Yeah.
And we're gonna cook some basmati rice on the side. It's also with a little twist.
That's it, guys. And again, the weather is getting warm. We feel comfortable. We're gonna be enjoying cooking, right?
Yes, absolutely.
And then it's more we enjoy, it's better we're gonna cook. Remember that. So let's start, guys. Pleasure being with you. Just like my wife mentioned, we're gonna do salmon Scotch eggs. So we're gonna start by boiling eggs. I have over here around 10 eggs. We're gonna put dill, of course, our salmon, onion, jalapenos, and carrots. And on the side, we're gonna cook basmati rice. Start by boiling our egg first. Add some water. I wanna put 10 eggs. You do according to the amount that you need. Okay, so after the water start boiling, we're gonna boil it for around 4 minutes. The egg has been boiling for 4 minutes. We're gonna turn it off. Guys, look at our beautiful salmon. We're just gonna slice it thin. This way it goes through the grinding machine. Now we're gonna grind our salmon. Our salmon is grinded. Now we're gonna chop dill. This is the amount I'm gonna put. Now that we chop the dill, we're gonna add it to our mixture. Now we're gonna add 1 onion into our recipe and 1 whole jalapenos. Put it inside. Now that we ground the onion and jalapeno, we're gonna take the juice out. Look at the color, look how pretty. Not all the way. Add it to our recipe. I want to grate 1 carrot. Add it to our recipe. We're gonna add some salt. Approximately this much. And not too much pepper, because don't forget we have the jalapeno over there. So we're gonna add a little bit of pepper. Approximately this much. That's good. Now we're gonna mix it. Alright, the eggs is ready. Now we're gonna peel the eggs. They're boiled only for 4 minutes, so don't forget, make sure you boil them for 4 minutes. So what we're gonna do is take a little bit, okay? Make sure we make our hand wet, just flatten it a little bit. And take your time, this is a little bit tricky, okay? Take an egg, put it in the middle. We're gonna take another amount like that, whatever we took before. Flatten it also, roll them just like that. Make sure your hand is wet and you make it nice and round, nice and tight. Take your time, don't rush. Put them inside the plastic wrap. And tie it a little bit just like that. And we're gonna put it inside the freezer for 30 minutes. So we'll see you soon. Do 1.5 cup of basmati rice. Alright, so it's 1.5 cup. We're gonna toast our rice a little bit. So what we're doing is green basmati rice. So we have over here dill and cilantro. So let's chop it. Our rice is nice and toasted. Now we're gonna put everything over here. Add extra virgin olive oil. This on the cover. 1 should be enough. Mix it. We're gonna put our dill and cilantro, mix it all up. So a ratio of 1.5 cup of basmati rice, we're gonna add 3 cups of water. Now we're gonna add the rice, the salt. Let's wait for it to boil and then we're gonna cover it and leave it for 20 minutes. Okay, now that our rice is boiling, we're gonna add 1 spoon of white vinegar, mix it, covered and leave it on a low fire for 20 minutes. Let's make our mixture with panko, and we're gonna put some parsley inside our mixture. We're gonna put some salt and black pepper and paprika. Mix it all up. And we're gonna need 1 bowl of flour. So we're gonna crack 3 eggs. Okay, mix it all up. Took it out of the freezer. Now we're gonna put it inside flour, egg, panko. We're gonna add oil to our pot. This is where we're gonna deep fry. Now we're gonna fry them a little bit just to give them a nice golden color. And turn them already. Maybe less than 30 seconds on each side. Now we're gonna bake it on 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. See you soon. All right, 20 minutes passed for our rice. Oh, looking good, look. 16 to 17 minutes passed by. Our salmon scotch egg ready. So let's play it and we'll see you in about 2 seconds from now. Our dinner is ready, okay? And you'll be surprised. My daughter Sharon wants to see when I cut it, okay?
She's in the background.
So Sharon, can you choose which one you want to cut? There's a big one, there's a little bit smaller one.
The big one.
The big one, okay. Okay, so let's slice it for 2. Oh, look at that, Sharon. Look at it, look. Look at this beauty. Huh?
Wow.
What do you guys think? The egg is still runny. Sharon, are you surprised?
Yeah, I am. Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna try yours. Can I try yours?
Come on, let's go.
Because you already cut it. Oh my god. I'm gonna cut it for another half. And I have to get it together with the egg.
I thought I'm gonna eat first.
And I think
I guess it doesn't
that was
happen.
the plan. I'm gonna take a little bit of sriracha.
Let me have it. I'm very curious, guys. This is the first time I cook in this thing.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's good?
Oh my god. It's really amazing. Wow.
Wow, okay, so okay, let me taste it.
I'm gonna take a little bit of rice while he's eating.
How did you
the
do
egg.
it? You went, oh my god, like 5 times. Did you do that?
Yeah, a little bit.
That's not a little bit.
Well,
that's a
take
big
the other
one.
piece.
No, it's okay, it's okay. And then sriracha?
And a little bit, yeah.
Oh wow, it tastes good. Oh my.
Right? It
Swear.
tastes amazing.
I swear there's something about this whole thing that tastes very, very,
Oh
very,
my
very
god.
good. Let us taste the rice. Basmati rice. The rice is amazing.
Right.
I love the rice.
It's really good.
Guys, you want to hear something funny? My daughter Sharon doesn't like stuff when it's fried, okay? So we did like around 9-10 pieces and we left few pieces for Sharon on the side. She didn't know there was an egg on the side. Inside this thing. She didn't know there was an egg inside. So remember when I told you that we're gonna put it in the freezer for like 30 minutes and then we're gonna take it out and dip it in egg and panko? So Sharon took hers. She didn't know there was egg inside and she squished it like that.
She smooshed it.
She smooshed it. So we're waiting to see how hers is gonna look tomorrow.
Well, she baked hers.
Oh, she did bake
yes,
hers,
Yeah, she didn't fry it. She baked hers. I'm pretty sure she just has a scrambled egg inside probably.
Yeah, Sharon, did you find out what it looks like inside?
Not yet.
Not yet.
The
Okay,
egg
guys.
tricky.
This thing tastes amazing. Try it home. If you want to try Sharon's way, don't fry it, just bake it.
Yeah.
You know, another way of doing it.
Thank you guys so much for watching our recipe video, and please don't forget to follow us on all our social medias. So everything gonna be listed down below. And
if you want to check me out, you can always check me out at LB Diamond 23 West 47th Street. Anytime when you need jewelry, or you want to treat your wife. Remember that. Okay.
Or you want to treat yourself, because I know we have a lot of ladies watching us.
Pleasure being with you. Hope to see you next time. Stay safe. Take
Salute.
care.